Search pattern can be anything, like if you want to search an IP address, you want to search email address. So means you have a pattern. Like email address, we have something fixed like @ and then dot. Means first lowercase, uppercase, underscore, dot can be anything. Okay, like Mohit Raj, lowercase, uppercase, dot, cs, underscore can be anything, and then @ is a fix here, and then gmail.com, yahoomail.com. Okay, Yahoo Mail. So this is the means Gmail, like a string. Okay, which can contain underscore, which can contain dot. Okay, then dot com, dot in, dot edu. Means this is a regular expressions. Okay, in Python we use RE module for regular expressions. Okay, so let's see what are the methods, or you can say functions, offered by the RE modules. So we will see the special characters to form the regular expressions. But first let's see the methods to search the regular expressions. Okay, first of all, we have match. The match methods matches the pattern in the beginning of a given string. Yes, beginning, not in the end, not in the middle, just beginning. If match is found, it return pattern. If match is not found, it return none. Okay, so it just serves one purpose, to search a string at the beginning of a given string. Okay, let's see syntax. Its syntax is re.match, then pattern, then string, then flag. I will tell you later what is flag. Just concentrate on two things, pattern and string. Okay, let's see pattern. Okay, I'm giving you one example. So here I'm using my Notepad++. You can use any editor of your choice. This is very lightweight, that's why I'm using that. And this one, you can use Sublime version. This is totally up to you. Okay. So first of all, I'm writing import RE. So this is RE module. Okay. I'm going to save you first. Okay. Let's save it. So I have saved this one. Consider I have a string. What we think we become. That's my favorite quote. What we think we became. Okay, I have a pattern like P, W, H. Okay, I'm using M equal to RE dot match. Okay, let's see the syntax again. Syntax saying that first pattern then string. Okay, I'm using P and then str1 and then print M. Okay, save. For running this one, I'm using not command prompt Python match. So you can see I'm getting an object which says span 0 to 0 to means starting with 0 and from where to where 0. It's obvious thing, if we start something in the starting, if we sorry, if we match something in the starting, that means 0th index. Okay, and what we are getting WH here. Okay, that is pattern. Okay, so consider I want to get what I'm getting here if M, because if I'm not getting M, then M became none. Okay, so print what I'm getting. You can use M dot group, means that is pattern. From where to where means in the line, from where to where I'm getting my pattern. So I can use M dot start and M dot end. Okay, so let's run this one. Okay, sorry. So here I'm getting this is my pattern, and this is starting point and this is the ending point. So match, so M dot group will give you, so M dot group will give you the pattern, and this is starting point and this is the ending point. Okay, now let's see the flag. So if I set flag, consider if I use W is capital here. Okay, if I use capital I'm getting none here. This print message is none here. Okay, so I want to make it case insensitive. If I want to make it case insensitive, I have to use a flag re.I. So you can say it became case insensitive. So this is a flag value. Flag can be multi-line. There are a lot of flags. Okay. So here I means case insensitive flag. Okay. So this is a match method. Okay. Now let's proceed to the. Now let's see the search. This search method finds the first occurrence of a pattern in the string. Means you can search in the starting, in the ending, and the middle. Okay. If pattern is found, it returns patterns, none otherwise. Okay, similarly, dot group can be used to find the pattern. Okay, now let's see the example. So now I'm using my Notepad++ again and I copy this one and save this one again. So I'm using here search. Rest of things are same, syntax is same, this group is same, start is same. So now if I change the pattern, so consider if I use WE, Python search. So you can see I'm getting match object. So this is M. So you, if you don't want to print, you can remove this one. So WE is a pattern here. This is M dot group. Okay, 5 to 7 means I'm getting my pattern from 5 to 7. Okay, like 5 is W. Okay, and 7 then means complete last one. Okay, ending. Okay. So in this way you can use search, but search has one disadvantage because you can see WE appears two times. So here WE appears two times, but I'm getting only one time. If you want to get WE two times, means multiple time, if you have three times, four times, so you have to use here find all. Okay, so find all. So here find all returns a list. So this M will be a list. Okay, so I no need this one. So just print M. So here I'm getting a list with my pattern. So I am getting WE two times. That's why I'm getting 2WE. Okay, but you can see this is a list. I'm not getting from where to where. That's the problem. From where to where. So for this one, I need to use I have to use iter. This iter method will search multiple times. Means if WE appears two times, this find iter will return two times. Or you can also search from where to where. Okay, now let's see. So I'm getting callable iterator. If you see callable generator, whatever, means generator, iterator like this. So you can use without any doubt for loop. For each in M, print each. Okay. So now I'm getting, you can see match object. So it is very similar. You can see in the first program match or found, match or in the first program match and search. I was getting the same thing, right? So here I can use each dot group. What is my pattern? Okay, spelling of group group and each dot start, each dot end. I'm getting WE from 5 to 7 and WE 14 to 16. So in this way you can find any regular expression. So for next experiment, I'm going to use this find iters. Okay, so this is very important method. Okay, find iter. Okay, one more method is remaining, that is sub. Sub is used to, let me show you the slide. So this sub will replace the pattern with replace string in the given string. Okay, and maximum time, how many times. So if I do not specify anything, means by default it is 0. Okay, means all the replacement or replace all the patterns. Okay, got it. So let's see one example. Import re, save this one, replace one.py. Okay, so consider I have a string str1. What we think we became, and p equal to we, and new text re.sub, first pattern, then replace string. So I want to replace we with I in the given string str1, and how many times I am not specifying this thing, and print new text. Okay, let's run this one. What I think I became, this is the replaced text. So if I specify max number of times, I want to replace only one time, so you can say what I think we became. Okay, in this way you can use sub. Okay, so this is all about the methods. Okay, now let's see how to use the special characters, how to form a regular expressions. Okay, now let's see Python special characters. Okay, so Python special characters helps you to find the to make the regular expressions. Okay, first we have dot. Dot means anything, but that anything must be present. Okay, now let's see the dot. So I'm using again this find iter new program special. So I'm using text a b b a b b a, okay, and only a. So for pattern I'm using a dot. Okay, if I'm using regular expression I have to use r here. R means raw string. So this is a raw string. Means this dot can act as a regular expression. Okay. So now it became a, because if I'm using special character, so I have to use R here. Okay. So a dot. Dot means, I told you that dot means anything. Okay, anything. So I'm not using this case insensitive task. So just simple. And let's run this one. And after that, we will see the results, analyze the result also. Okay. So I'm getting A, B. So I'm getting A, B because I'm using dot here. So okay, A, B, then again A, B. So A is fixed here. After that can be anything, but that can anything must be present. Okay, I'm getting A here because space is also space is a string here. Okay, space also considered as string. Okay, in the end I'm not getting anything. You can say AH only, but A means A, some means alone A is not here because something must be present here. Nothing is present. That's why I'm not getting any A here. Okay, so dot means anything but only one time, and that must be present. Okay, so let's see the next special character. Next is caret. Matches the start of the string. It is like a match method. Okay, but consider my method, I have to use find iter. So, but in the find iter, I want to search in the starting of a string, like I want to search a PDF file. That PDF file must be start with let's upgrade. Okay, so this is name in the starting. Okay, so I can use carrots. Okay, let's see the code. So in the code, if I use here caret, here I'm getting 01. Okay, in the starting. So if I change this one to B and I run it again, I'm not getting anything. So means in the starting. Okay, consider you have a list of lot of files and you want to search. I need this file which start with the particular string like Intel, like Dell. Okay, so you can use caret. Okay, for ending, like caret for the starting, for end. So for end we use dollar sign. R like a dollar. Okay, I'm giving one good example. Consider this is not a stir, and I have a list of files like a.txt, a.txt, b.txt, c.pdf, k.pdf. So consider you have a list of files. Okay, and this is a pattern. I need a file which ends with the txt. I need only the txt files. Okay, so only txt. So this is a P, and for this string, I need to use a list here. So I can use for each, okay, for file in list one. Okay, so I can use here file. So just give indentation and run this one. Python. I'm getting text. Okay, actually in this one I know I don't need this one each and start, because you know I'll get everything at the ending. So no need this one. I'm printing only the group. I need only file which ends with the txt. So these are the files. Okay, so I'm getting only txt here. That's pattern and uh, okay. So here actually I'm getting only txt uh, because that is a pattern. I'm not getting complete file. Okay, complete file. So in order to get complete file, I have to use here. Uh, I'll tell you later. Okay, so star. This is what I'm waiting for. Star. Star means to match the zero or more repetition. Okay, star. Star means to match the zero or more repetition. Okay, so zero or more means it can go. Consider if you use A, B here, A, B star. It means that B can repeat, A is fixed here, B can repeat 0 to, I cannot say it's equal to or not equal. Okay, so greater equal to 0, because 0 to many times. So I'm using infinity here. Okay, 0 to many times, because many I don't know about the many. So included 0. I'm using previous code. 0 to 1. 1 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 to 1. So I'm not using right now here. Okay, let's change this one. Hmm. So remove this one, not needed right now. Pattern is saying A, B, star. Okay, so this is my pattern A, B star, and this is my string. Okay, string. This is my string, and I'm using P pattern and here str1 for M each dot group. Where to where I can use each dot start and each dot end. So let's run this one. Python. Okay, here I'm getting a lot of A and AB. Okay, so let's see, let's analyze this. AB done, then A, B, B, double B. Okay, similarly this one. Single A is also allowed because A, B is, that's why only A. Okay, so in this way I can use star. Okay, in the previous example, this one, what thing is missing? That is the star. But what I want to repeat? I want to repeat anything. Dot means anything, star means multiple repeat, means dot means anything. Anything can repeat anytime, even zero time. Anything can repeat anytime, and then txt at the end. So now let's run this code again. Okay. So now actually I missed one dot here. Okay, so this dot and this dot. Okay. So dot means anything, then star. Now I'm getting a.txt and b.txt. Okay. Now I'm getting the exact file name. Okay. So here I have used multiple special character. You can see this one dot, then star, and at the end dollar. Okay. Now next one is plus. What is the meaning of plus here? Plus means like a star, but here at least one occurrence. Okay. It means that mathematically I can say mathematically A, B plus means B can repeat 1 equal to and then infinity. Means at least one B must be present. That is the difference between star and plus. Star plus. So if I use here plus. Okay, first of all, let's see the star results. Then I'll compare with the Python. Now let's see the result of star. Now I'm using star here. So you can compare. I'm not getting single A here. So this single A I'm not getting in this one because at least one B must be present. Okay. So now let's see the next special character. This is question mark sign Actually, this is for actually star and plus. Both are the greedy operator. Means if B is present 5 times, it will take all the star and plus will take all the 5B. But what is the minimum? Minimum is 1 or 0. Okay. So if we use this question mark sign, it will only take the minimum requirement. Okay, minimum fashion. It works in the minimum fashion. Now let's see the difference. Consider if I use question mark here. So by default, so you can see I'm getting only A, B or single A because minimum can be a single B, 1B or 0B. This is a minimum approach. Okay, if I use 1B, I'm getting the 1B here. Okay, so in this way you can use this non-greedy approach. Okay, then M means this is this curly braces. If I specify number, okay, like consider if I use expression A, B, and then 5. It means that I need 5 copy of B, exact 5 copy of B. Okay, exact 5 copy of B. Okay, okay, if I use A, B, 1, 2 to 4, means I need copy of B from 2 to 4. This one is exact copy and this one is a range 2 to 4 copies. Now let's see in the example. In this one, consider I need uh, 3 copies, exactly 3 copies. So I'm getting only one time A, B 3 times. Okay, consider here I'm making more B. So from that 5 B's, I'm getting only 3 B's. Okay, because I need only 3 copies. Okay, got it. So if I use 2 to 4, even 2 is okay, 3 is okay, 4 are okay. Okay, means 2, 4, 3, whatever the number. Okay, you can see I'm getting 2 here, I'm getting 3 here, I'm getting 4 here. Okay, in this way we can make a regular expression. Okay, now let's see the next one. Okay, this square bracket, it means or. If I use OP in the square bracket, consider if I use OP, it means either O or P. If I use A, B, C and square bracket, it means that either AB or AC, both are allowed. Okay, so this is the simple one. This is the very useful thing. If I use A, this one is hyphen here, A hyphen Z or Z, whatever your pronunciation. Okay, so if I use Z here, it means that I want the lowercase ASCII character. Okay, only one. But if I use star here or plus here, it means that at least one and maximum anytime. Okay, if I use here A Z, it means that uppercase ASCII correct ASCII letter. Okay, if I use this one A Z and A capital Z, it means that lowercase as well as uppercase. Okay, whatever I insert here 0 to 9, it means that A Z and A is A lowercase, uppercase and letter numeric. Okay, so in this way we can form a regular expression. Okay, Now let's see the exercise. First exercise. Now we have enough knowledge. We can make a simple regular expression. So let's do one exercise. So in this exercise, I'm going to extract all the email address from a web page. Okay. So see this web page. This is a URL. This is Thapar University website. Okay, and this is email address. Okay, I want to grab this email address. Okay, so I'm using this one, this URL. So in order to extract, in order to get the page, obtain the page, I'm using the request module, re.requests. Okay, I think it's request. Okay, let me check in the Python shell. It's request or request. Sometime I confused. Okay, import request. It's request. Okay, great. So put the URL here. Data or text equal to d dot text email. First of all, let's see, do we have data or not? Okay, it's text. Okay, sorry. Okay, so I have web page here. Okay, now I have a data. So now it's time to make the regular expression for the email. Okay, consider a very difficult email. Okay, like a b at the rate underscore c d hyphen dot k l capital and then add the rate. This is fixed. And then again xyz 123 dot club. This is email address. Very some difficult email address. Okay. So first of all, in the square bracket. So first of all, R in the square brackets A B. A to Z. A to Z, capital Z. Uh, Numeric 0 to 9. Okay. Now we have all score dot and in the last hyphen. Okay, and this can repeat many times because this signifies only one character, can be lowercase, uppercase, numeric. Okay, but this term is that can repeat any time. After that, add the rate. Okay, add the rate is English syntax. Okay, this is not a part of regular expression because this is the we need to understand one thing here. This one add the rate, this add the rate and this dot is a English syntax. Okay, the fixed thing, and this is the regular expression. This is the regular expression part, and this is regular expression. But these are the not the regular. This is not the regular expression. Okay, so add the rate is not a part of RE module. That's why we can use as it is. Okay, after that, I'm repeating this thing again. Same. Okay, done. And then dot. So if I use dot here, then your interpreter can see, okay, this dot is a means anything. No, this dot means dot, a real dot, that English dot, English language dot. Okay, so I have to use here this one. Means this Backslash will tell the interpreter this is not the regular expression, this is the real dot. Okay, then I can say I can use lowercase, uppercase only. Okay, this one. Mostly we say .com, .edu, .org. Okay, now this one. This is the regular expression, and this is should be plus. Okay, that's I think this will work. Okay, so now I have to use because I need only email address. So I can use only the find all. Okay, uh, emails equal to re dot find all. P pattern and then data, and for each in email print each. Okay, now let's run this one. Just wait. Uh-oh. Let's define the RE module. We are getting good email address. Okay, I'm not saying this is the best email finding expression, but this is working for me. It's good. Okay, so this is the first exercise. Okay, now let's see the next exercise. So please find the this next exercise for you. Find the IP addresses from web page. Get the web page. Okay, or you can make your own text file and find the IP address from that file. Okay, for my regular expressions. So now I'm giving I'm now so let's see the next exercise. Okay, import RE. Consider I'm getting a message data1 dot a secret message m equal to that is data, and that message contain lot of special character, but in the special character I have some ASCII some lowercase or uppercase letters. Okay, in the lowercase uppercase I have some special, sorry, in the special characters I have some lowercase uppercase letters. Okay, so I need to find those letters. Okay, so I'm going to use very special thing. This one is the negation. Okay, negation means accept this one. If I'm using this caret sign inside the square bracket 5, it means that accept 5 get all, accept 5 get all. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. So P equal to, okay, so R here, negation, whatever I specify, yes, whatever I specify inside it. Okay, I need a, okay, so this is my regular expression, accept this, okay. So M equal to RE dot sub means replacement. I keep the replacement none, null string, and in the given data, print M. It means that accept this, replace all. Okay, now I'm getting Intel. Okay, accept this, replace all. Okay, so this is all about, this is not all, this is about the regular expression. I hope you enjoyed this chapter. Okay, so practice more and more and you will learn the regular expression. And there are a lot of exercise you can use, like you have a lot of files in your computer system and that contain roll number and the name. So you want to grab the roll number only, so you can use regular expression. Okay, there are a lot of things where you can use the regular expressions. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.